So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can install Windows 2.0 on a VirtualBox in your computer. So further ado, let's get started. But before that, if you're new to this channel, then please do subscribe this YouTube channel. And if you have already subscribed, then thank you so much. Okay guys, now you can see my computer screen. Now first of all, what you need to do, you need to download the VirtualBox file for Windows 2.0 and you need to download the VirtualBox software on your computer. Then you have to install it. So open up your browser and search on Google VirtualBox download. Then go to this website virtualbox.org. Click on this first link. Then from here, download the VirtualBox software for your operating system. I am using Windows 11 operating system. So I had already downloaded this Windows host file and installed the VirtualBox software on my computer. If I click on this VirtualBox icon, you can see my VirtualBox software has been installed on my computer. Now after that, you have to download the Windows 2.0 VirtualBox file. So for this, again, get back to browser, take another tab and search here Windows 2.0 VirtualBox file download Internet Archive. Type this text on your search, then press enter. Then go to this first website archive.org, this link, click on this link, then scroll down, then from here click on this torrent text on this download icon. Now after that, open up this torrent file with any torrent client. In this case, I am using QBitTorrent and it will download the Windows 2.0 VirtualBox file on your computer. So I had already downloaded it. Now let me show you how you can install Windows 2.0 on your VirtualBox machine. So for that, open up your VirtualBox, then click on New and type here Windows 2.0. Then from here, click on this version and select Windows 3.1. Then click on Next. Keep all of this option as default. Then click on Next. Then on this page, click on Use an existing virtual hard disk file. Then click on this icon. Then click on Add. Then go to your downloads folder where you keep the Windows VirtualBox file. And from here, select this file, .vasd file. Then click on Open. Then choose. Now click Next. Then Finish. Now to start Windows 2.0 in your VirtualBox machine, click on this Start icon. And it should boot Windows 2.0 in your VirtualBox. Here you can see guys, the VirtualBox software is opening. And here is the Windows 2.0 pre-installed on this VirtualBox. To increase the view, click on View, then click on Scale Mode, then Switch. Now you can stretch this window to expand the view of your Windows 2.0. Now from here, you can use Windows 2.0 on your VirtualBox machine. If you want to write anything into a notepad in this Windows 2.0, click on this write.txt and type your text. Then to save this file, click on File, then Save. Then type the file name. Here I am going to type my text. Then click on OK. Now you can minimize it. Now here you can see the file mytext.wri. If you double click it, it will open. So now guys, you can experience the Windows 2.0 on a latest computer using the VirtualBox like this. So guys, that's all for today. I hope you like this video. If you really like this video and enjoy this video, then please give it a big thumbs up and share this video with your friends. And guys, if you're new to this channel, then please do subscribe this YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the latest upcoming video tutorial notification. I'm Mehdi Shakil, you are watching a tech tutorial and I'm signing out.